Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm back on here again because I'm doing another video, and this is from Jeannie Dreemer, and I think that's her YouTube name, and she is from the United States, because as you know, well, I'm in Australia. I say that all the time. Don't say we're looking for winter around here. Well, my husband is anyway. I don't know how I'll feel about it. I'm sure it'll be right. I'll keep warm. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Oh, wow. Congrats. Look at that. Isn't this card kind of cool? Look at this. Look at that big die cut in that. Wow, that's really neat, isn't it? Celebrate 5 years and many beautiful journals. Yes, I will have too, won't I? Hope you like these swatches. Hugs from America, Jeannie Dreemer. Oh, look at this. Thank you so much. These are really pretty, aren't they? Oh, yeah. Look at that. There's going to be so many different styles. I'll be able to make journals for always, won't I? You know, because some of them look like you got to get what goes with whatever. And this is a really nice one. Look, there's the butterflies on it. And these are really beautiful colours, aren't they? Beautiful, bright colours. Just the right size for a page. That much is there. And then I have to put something on that. It's going to be cool. I think so. Oh dear, thank you so much for that, Jeannie. I really appreciate that, darling. I really do. And thank you for the lovely card that you made for me. I will treasure that. Oh yeah, well, I forgot to look at this bit here. Maybe this is her name. It's not Dreemer, it's Dreemer. D-R-E-E-M-E-R. I don't know if she's got a YouTube channel. She might do. This says over. Oh, on the other side it says she likes shabby chic and shabby vintage. And then it's got a birthday, and she loves pale, all pastels and red. That's very kind of you, Jeannie. Thank you so much, darling. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for sending that to me. And thank you, everybody, for watching. And we'll get back to you shortly and see what else I've got. Okay, bye-bye.